All right. So our next hot topic then. So FinCEN, they launched a webpage specifically focused on whistleblower and tips on fraud, money laundering, and sanction violations here. And if you've read any of the number of recent FinCEN alerts that have kind of been coming out, there's been a lot of mention of whistleblowers, and they are really urging financial institution individuals to come forward and to blow the whistle on institutions who aren't following the rules. And there are some expanded rewards that go along with this. And there are some protections that are also baked into it if you do blow the whistle. But so what we're looking at here is if an individual comes forward, if they provide, it has to be new, original information that they don't already have, they're not already aware of. But if you come forward and provide information about a VSA violation or even a conspiracy to commit a violation, and it leads to a successful enforcement action by the Department of Justice or the Department of Treasury, which would include FinCEN, if you do that and it leads to a penalty exceeding $1 million, you're entitled to a reward. And there were rewards that were out there previously, but this kind of goes above and beyond that. They used to be discretionary, so they could be limited. But now it is the Treasury shall pay. So they can't limit that. They can't deny the payment if somebody were to blow the whistle. So a person could stand to make a lot of money doing that, if that were the case there. And then again, there's those protections that are built in. You can blow the whistle anonymously. There's confidentiality, and then there's also protection against retaliation. So just something really to be aware of. Whistleblowing, it's not new. It's been around for years. A lot of institutions have whistleblower programs, but there's not been as much focus and attention lately. So it may be worth a conversation with HR and management to say, hey, there's this web page that's been launched, making it really easy for somebody now to come in and blow the whistle if they want to. What does your program say? What is your risk in that area? Just something to kind of have in the back of your minds there, and to be aware of, I guess, that this has been coming out and that there's been a lot more pushing from FinCEN to blow the whistle. So we wanted to at least cover that, go through that with you. And there's also not a regulation for whistleblowing, but FinCEN does plan to put out a new regulation on the whistleblower rule. So that's to come.